to have killed over 100 Lombax defenders during the ancient Cragmite Crusade. Good thing our challenger isn't a Lombax energy thingy. Take this. Ha ha ha. Hey, you're gonna put someone's eye out of those things! Incontinence happens to the best of us, but with a new Quark suppositractor, you don't have to be embarrassed anymore. Warning, suppositractor may cause incontinence.
Outstanding work, strangers I've never met, and now the fruits of your labor. One hollow pirate disguise, perfect for parties and undercover misadventures, and for the little guy, a copy of my new exercise book, Body by Quark. Now you two can have the calves of a champion.
Did you call us here for a reason, or are you just trying to get us killed?
Can it be both? I'm just kidding. Here, I found this in Tachyon's underwear drawer. I thought it was... I thought it might be a clue.
It's time for another installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importance. In this chapter, we will explore the galactic awesomeness that is Iris. The largest supercomputer in Polaris history, this mysterious behemoth is said to have an IQ of 3 billion. That would mean 170 Terracnoid sages or 3 billion Holonet fanboys. Built by an unknown race eons ago, Iris once served as the ultimate search engine for the universe. Now it resides deep within pirate territory, sealed off from the public. Its only master, the duplicitous Captain Slag. This has been another depressing installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importance.
Maybe Iris knows where the Dimensionator is. Let's go.
Take me with you! I can't do this undercover thing anymore. I'm not a superhero. I'm just a hero. How am I supposed to survive without some kind of endorsement deal, huh?
Whoa, okay, take it easy, big guy. Maybe you can be a superhero. You just need to stop being so self-absorbed and whiny.
You're right. This is not the time for vanity. It's the time to show the universe how amazingly awesome I am. I'm sorry, Ratchet. I hope you never have to endure the pressure of saving an entire galaxy. Wish me luck.
It's inspiring to think that just a few years ago, this arena was a daycare center for troubled orphans. Dare to dream, ladies and gentlemen. Dare to dream. He just can't seem to land a hit, folks. This guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest. Somehow, I don't think the Argonoids are impressed by our hero's next-gen weaponry. Mustachio. Let's see what he does next. I couldn't have done better myself. Who am I kidding? Of course I could. A killer combo from Mustachio. That's gonna ring a few bells. Woohoo! I hope our challenger filled out those organ donor cards. inspiring to think that just a few years ago, this arena was a daycare center for troubled orphans. Dare to dream, ladies and gentlemen. Dare to dream. Looks like these gladiators want to put the screws to our challenger. Let's see if he can put that wrench to good use. He just can't seem to land a hit, folks. This guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest. Another wave defeated? Someone needs to take this guy down a peg. Crop after crop of jellyweed thanks to bothermite infestation? Try Grummelet's new and improved Lawn Ninjas, protecting your garden with the quickness. A killer combo from Mustachio! That's gonna ring a few bells. Reminds me of the time I took on an entire army of man-eating space goblins. It was 300 to 1, and those homies still got served. Mustachio. Let's see what he does next. These hunters come to us from the charming Mastee's penal colony on planet Ibaro. Supposedly they butchered a gaggle of Grummels over a defective Neo-Splitter, but they look completely rehabilitated to me. Just a reminder, streaking through the arena is prohibited by law. I'm looking at you, Crushto. These enemies are so fierce, it would take at least half my strength to destroy them. And now, for the first time in Polaris history, a match like none you've ever seen. Twice the pain,